honestly, I'm not saying much right now because I am simply speechless. Alright, you guys. GT3rs. What an icon of a car. Look at this beautiful detail of it. Now, this is the Weissach edition. I've got a tune set for this. I've driven it before, and man, this is one of those. I would say, when you're a kid, you have a poster car. That's your dream car. But as an adult, this is the poster car for sure. Oh, just absolutely gorgeous. We'll give it a whirl. Cool thing is, got a lot of VR. We're gonna crawl into the GT3rs right now. Just gonna make sure I'm holding on to the right things. Oh, wow. Oh, this thing is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at the detail of everything in here. The seats. Oh, I just want to reach and touch them. Okay, we'll close the doors. Amazing. Turn on the lights. And the cool thing is, so this is a download. So I've got the lights on. Am I pressing the right button? And you have ground effects on at your feet, which is really nice. And another little neat feature is, I'm pretty sure that if I put it in reverse, we have a reverse camera. That is so neat. Oh, just drove. Oh my god, there's no clutch in this car. What a rookie. I wanted to give it a sound test. Let's do a sound check. We're back in neutral. Wow. Wow. Okay. Well, we'll give it a lap around Nürburgring. We'll stop at a toll booth. Scan our card. Perfect. Membership still active. Oh, that engine. Oh my god. That sound. Like a Porsche, you gotta keep that front end happy and compliant. A little trail braking. The 9,000 RPM shift line. not saying much right now because I am simply speechless about how good this car is. Wow, getting a little bit dazed and confused coming into the corner. Just mesmerized, to be honest with you. Absolutely mesmerizing. The car is alive. It feels like it's gonna kill you, but has a decent behavior. Actually really curious to how comparative the time will be against the M4 BMW. I just doesn't like this a bit here. That was too close for comfort. The noise. Never mind if the car doesn't go fast enough, but man, the noise, it reminds me, I mean, this is not even a comparison. Back in the day when I was a teenager, just having an old Toyota Corolla 86, and it wasn't a fast car. I'm not saying this isn't a fast car, this is absolutely technology feat, but you just get the equivalent enjoyment out of driving this car because of the sheer noise and the raw delivery of everything, and it makes you work. It definitely makes you work. It's not just a chill ride. What a machine. I honestly don't even know what I did with that. Wow. Seventh gear. Woo! I'm sorry if I might sound a little speechless at this point. Well, it's because I am. And look at this. and we'll see if our tires are steaming. Go back in neutral. Huh. Tires are good. Wow. So let's see what we did for lap time. What do you guys think? I'm thinking high 6. And we'll pull our real time 6:51. That's 20, almost 22 seconds over the BMW. Well, this is an upgraded road car versus a GT car. Honestly, it's still a fantastic time. This car needs a little bit more tuning, so I can get the front end to bite a little more. I've been lifting in a lot of corners, and it is doable. I'm gonna play around with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is really fun. I'm gonna be doing a lot more car review videos, doing a lap at Nürburgring, and sharing the download links so everybody can go and get that car as a mod for Assetto Corsa. Look, the game is phenomenal. The community is strong, and no matter what new game comes out, Assetto Corsa is still kicking butt. So thanks for joining in. I hope you enjoyed the lap in the GT3 RS Porsche. See you on the next one. Please subscribe. That helps me out a lot.